Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Optimal Ninja. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to interpret Smart Algo Detector and find entries when the market is selling off. Obviously markets rally and sell off constantly. What we're focusing on here is declines with two characteristics. One, multiple consecutive down bars, and two, fast moving bars. On screen is Thursday, May the 23rd, 2024, and we're about 15 minutes into the equities session. As you can see, we've had 9 consecutive down bars and the speed has increased as we've come down. You'll also note that we have algo plots very near to the lows of all these bars. This is an indication of stops being hit. Whenever you see this fast multi-bar down pattern with algo plots at the bar lows, especially one that reverses a previous uptrend as we have here, you should be positioning for shorts and not longs. The first entry setup we have in these situations is to short the first up bar. Markets rarely put in V-shaped reversals, so it's likely we can expect more downward pressure and possibly even a second leg down, which would of course be a very lucrative trade. Also, the probabilities increase as we're shorting the touch of this downtrend line. I advise using a wider stop of 2 bars or 24 ticks on these trades as we can have a fair bit of volatility. The second type of setup is the trading range breakout. Price breaks out of this 3-bar range for a possible second leg down. You'll notice we have an algo plot on the low of this bar. As mentioned earlier, in these rapid sell-off situations, this should not be regarded as a sign of buying, but as a short signal. However, I do not advise entering on the close of these bars. We're likely to have a small bounce here, and if you put in a market order there, you are chasing the market and you are likely to get a very poor fill. So always try to enter on a pullback into the prior bar, even if it's just 2 or 3 ticks. And we have a similar setup 4 bars later. The algo plot on this bar was just below the overnight low, so that's almost certainly more stops being hit, so you could short that bar with confidence. But as I just mentioned, wait for a pullback into the bar and use a 2-bar stop. You'll now see that we have multiple bars below the lower quarter line, and so we're possibly shaping up into a major downtrend day. Other setups to look out for are fading the first 2-bar pullback as we have here and shorting the first touch or near touch of the lower quarter line. Whatever you do, don't go long below the lower quarter line. And since it's a holiday weekend, I will leave it there. Whatever you're doing, have a great time. My name is Richard. I look forward to releasing the next video shortly.